Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You're starting with a live photo ready to go. Make sure it's on iOS 17 and saved in Photos. Open the live photo and quickly trim or edit the clip. This matters because shorter loops perform smoother as wallpaper. Once done, tap the Share button and choose Duplicate as still photo only if you need a backup. Otherwise, keep the original live photo. Make sure the motion looks good on screen before moving to Settings. This saves time later. Now you'll set it. Go to Settings, Wallpaper, then add new wallpaper and pick the live photo from your library. When it previews, enable motion so the live effect plays on press. Adjust crop and position to frame the key moment. Choose whether it's lock screen, home screen, or both. Note live photo motion only activates on the lock screen when pressed. Tap Set and confirm placement. This step ensures the animation triggers reliably when you press the screen. Finish by locking the phone and pressing the lock screen to test playback. You should feel immediate motion. If it doesn't animate, make sure Settings Accessibility Motion Reduce Motion is off, and that the image is truly a live photo, not a still. If problems persist, recreate the live photo by recording or using the photo's live feature, then repeat the wallpaper setup. One key tip: restarting the iPhone often clears transient glitches and restores expected playback.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.